how we got Orient Finance to the first page of Google. Now, Orient Finance is a leading brokerage firm in the UAE specializing in crypto, forex, and OTC derivative trading. It's a trusted online broker in Dubai. Now, we have ranked their website for more than 30 keywords on the first page of Google, which is 48.5% of their total keywords. We took the traffic from 235 per month to over 11,000 and new users from just 530 to 14,000 in just 2 months. We had an overall traffic increase of 1,125% since starting the project. We generate approximately 4,000 clicks and 24,000 impressions for the website organically every month, with a click-through rate of 16.7%. With all our activities, we increased their monthly organic traffic by 943%, and their domain authority was increased from 10 all the way to 25. Now, we optimized their website and reduced the loading speed from 19 to just 10 seconds in a few months and improved the website's health score from 42% to 99%. So if you are looking to get your financial services website to the first page of Google, or are looking for an SEO agency with experience in financial services, contact Prism Digital, the best digital marketing agency for the financial services industry. To find out